Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginger tea. This soothing beverage is simple to prepare with just a few basic ingredients. You'll primarily need fresh ginger root and water. For an enhanced flavor, you might also consider having honey, lemon, or other spices on hand. Typically, a 1-inch piece of ginger is sufficient for 1 cup of tea, providing a balanced taste. Preparing your ginger is the first hands-on step. Begin by washing the ginger root thoroughly to remove any dirt. You have the option to peel the ginger or leave its skin on. Both methods work well. For optimal flavor extraction, thinly slice the ginger into rounds or grate it. This increases the surface area, allowing more of its beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Now, let's brew your delicious ginger tea. Combine your prepared ginger and water in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat and let it gently simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. For a stronger flavor, you can simmer it longer. Once brewed, carefully strain the tea into your favorite mug, removing all ginger pieces, and serve it hot. Customizing your ginger tea allows you to tailor it perfectly to your taste. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice can add a bright, zesty note and balance the ginger's spiciness. For sweetness, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup. Don't hesitate to experiment with other additions like a cinnamon stick, a slice of fresh turmeric, or a few sprigs of fresh mint for unique and delightful variations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.